the training that I want to walk you through right now is how, right, to promote affiliate program with chatbots on Facebook. So how do we get started from here? Now, the first thing that you need to have in order for you to use the chatbot is a fan page, because you need to have a fan page in order for you to run the ads. So let's call this fan page. So you have a fan page, and once you have a fan page, what you do is that you run an ad. This is a Facebook ad, and this Facebook ad here is where you're going to promote the chatbots, the Facebook chatbots. And how do you use Facebook to promote your chatbots? The way how you do it, you run a video ad. Now, technically it's called a video ad because the ad is basically a video. And this video ad here, the objective, right? The objective is to get send message. So the objective is not to get clicks. The objective is not to do anything else except for getting someone to click on the send message. Why? Because once they click on the send message, and if they leave you a message, they will now be added inside your chatbot, and that's where you can follow up with them. And of course, when they type inside the send message, it automatically will trigger whatever the automated message that you want to send to them. All right.